United says it started to repair those electrical groundings, Jim, on the 737 MAX. And we do have a call on Boeing today out of Wells. They initiate equal weight 244. They talk about the MAX losing some share within narrow body, but that the summer is going to look good for leisure, long-term international a little bit less certain.
Welcome to our channel, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today we're going to discuss Boeing. We got some good news in for Boeing about the electrical issue that came out first thing. We're going to go through all that, and we're going to talk about the new contract too that they were assigned as well. We're going to show two interviews. You've seen part of it with Jim, and then you're going to see another one with a Fast Money investor that was taken about 2 weeks ago, a little less than 2 weeks ago. We're going to discuss that. And then we're going to discuss our price predictions and our analysis of it. If you're new to our channel, please click the money icon at the bottom of our videos to review our past videos. And smash the like button and subscribe. All right, here's our current position. We still own 100 shares of Boeing. The market's all up. All the indices are up right now, which is a good thing for today, especially after the jobless claims came in. They fall to a new low. And as of yesterday, we had a problem in the market because of inflation. All these inflation fears is affecting all the stocks. Okay, so I want you guys to tread lightly. You know, you might want to hold for a little bit until we start seeing some trends in your stock going higher. About 9 million shares traded Boeing. Normal average is 16.8. It is currently up about 1%. The analyst over here, the high is 314, the low is 165, and the medium is 258. There's a lot of news in here, and we'll start covering some of it here in a minute. Here's our one-day chart. The RSI at the bottom here is around 40, between 37 and 40. And our 50-day is still above the 200-day. The red line is the 200-day. The blue line is the 50-day. You can see this trend is still going downward. What we need to see is start seeing some sideways action for a while. I'd like to see like about 5 days worth of sideways action, and then maybe start going in the upward direction before we start buying, okay? I just want to solidify this because I don't want us going even further down. If we start going further down, we can come back down here and visit the 200. Now the NASDAQ, the overall NASDAQ, if it keeps going down, it could pressure it to go down to $200 a share. So just be aware of that. If you own a little bit, just like I do, just wait till you do your lump sum dollar cost averaging. But if you're buying a little bit of shares like once a month or something like that, automatically buying shares, then I wouldn't worry about it if you're looking for long term. Because next year, you know, a lot of the analysts are saying that we're going to be having a 3 handle. I mean, it'll be over $300 a share. So I would wait till we get some type of confirmation that it's going to start going higher before you start jumping in it.
This problem that they just got fixed, the execution at Boeing is questionable. I mean, they were pretty much assuring me that this problem would be done immediately, and maybe it was fixed, and the FAA just has had it with them. But I like Boeing. My Travel Trust owns it, but I am conscious of the fact that I don't think this quarter is that good. We don't have Chinese certification for them. David, when you look at a company like Boeing, what you really have to say is they got saved, and then when travel really comes back, they'll do well. And you want to anticipate that, and that's what's happened from the 150 level. But do you anticipate again? I mean, it's already been anticipated. It's good.
So right, that is already, you believe, incorporated in the current price.
I like it.
Right.
I genuinely like it. If you don't own, I think Boeing is good to own. But you have to understand that this quarter, man, you have to suffer through this quarter.
Yeah, what he's talking about is where the CEO turned around and promised Jim, okay, I think I shared the video with you in the past, and I'll share one of our past videos of Boeing on the back end of this video. But what he's talking about is the CEO came online saying this is going to be an easy fix, it's no big deal, and this and that. But the problem about it is Congress changed the rules after he was saying a lot of that stuff. Congress stated that the FAA had to approve the solution before they could repair the electrical issue. And FAA is very slow to move. So it takes time in there for those people to test everything out and everything before they decide to approve it. And that's what Jim's talking about. Alaskan Airlines ordered 13 Boeing 737 MAX jets as travel demand rebounds. I will place this article down below so you guys can read it, but they're going to grow their fleet to a total of 111 planes with deliveries in 2022 and 2023, which that's next year and the year after. That's good. Next article we have here is the Boeing wins the FAA approval for the 737 MAX electrical fix. They all notified the airlines. They sent out 2 bulletins for the air carriers on Wednesday on the fixes. So it looks like their mechanics can fix it themselves. And then they talk about the reports and everything else and what it affect different airlines. I will also place this article down below. Okay, let's go through this interview back in April 28th of the analysts, what they believe in owning versus trading the shares of Boeing.
You know, the way that you and Steve Weiss have a different way of looking at this name, why is Boeing an owning stock rather than a trading stock? Is it for the very reason that you just said? Because you're willing to look out to the long term? Whereas maybe you have to be a little more nimble in a name like this, given the ups and downs and ebbs and flows of what Boeing's done.
I think you can be both, Scott. Let me explain this, okay? Because the stock is trading, you know, you go back to June of last year, this is where it was trading. Granted, that was a little bit higher than it should have, but the point being, it's still trading as if the pandemic is still going on. The pandemic is going on, but we've got recovery, we've got reopening, and this is a stock that in 2022 you should expect to have a 3 handle in front of it.
All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this video down below as well so you can watch this whole video. I appreciate you guys watching our video today. I try to make these things a lot shorter now. Please put your comments down below, what you think about Boeing, what your price target that you want to buy in at. If you own Boeing, what price that you have it at, and what you're looking at to average down on your position. Again, thank you for watching. This is Sonny. You guys take care of yourselves. Be safe out there. This is Sonny. I'm out.